Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. Today in this video we will see how to install Java on Ubuntu. Let's begin. Open your Chrome browser or any favorite browser and type download Oracle Java. After that you will see some results. You have to open oracle.com and you will see this download page. Once you will reach on this page, you can see there will be a latest Java version. So we are going to use JDK 25, which is the latest one at the time of recording of this video. Now come to the Linux section and you will see the Debian package. This is the package we are going to install and the size is 175.91 MB and this is the link. Simply click this link to download. On the top you can see the downloading is started. Once the downloading will be finished, we will open the terminal. Please wait for the complete download. Once the downloading is done, go to this place and now open the terminal. On this terminal, we will first go inside the downloads folder because we have just downloaded the installation setup of JDK. If you type ls command, you will see this .db file is present here. To execute this file, you have to type a command sudo dpackage-i space jdk and press tab button, and this will automatically put the complete name. Press enter and this will ask you for the password. If you are admin, simply type the password. You must know about this password. Please enter the right password and then the process will start. So I have just entered the password. Now process of unpacking this .db installer is started and this will take 10 to 15 seconds maximum. We have to wait for that. Here we go. Once the installation is complete, you can see some entries here. Update alternatives. As we know, this command is used to maintain the different versions of Java or Python or a program. So to manage different versions, suppose you are not using JDK at particular time and you want to use the Open JDK and both versions are present on your system, so you can simply use the update alternatives to point to the desired Java option, right? Let's verify it. Type the Java space -- version, then you will see the results. This shows us the Java is installed successfully. If you go with the which Java command, you will see this path. So friends, this path will be fixed. Whatever the Java you are using the Oracle Java or you are using OpenJDK, doesn't matter. This path will be same, but this path will be pointed with your current using Java with the help of update alternatives. Now close the previous terminal and open the new one. We have to find the complete path because we are going to use a path in the next Java home environment variable setup. So the path will be like this. This is the current path of our installed JDK, right? So we are figuring out the JDK folder path. So this will be the path. In your case, this will be the same, but the name may be different of your JDK folder, right? So our path is ready. Now we will open the new terminal. So friends, we are going to set up Java_home environment variable in this Ubuntu, right? Sometimes some application needs Java_home, so we have to set up. Simple. Open the fresh terminal and we have to type this command sudo nano/etc/environment and you can simply press enter. What it will do, nano is the inbuilt editor and this will open your environment variable file in edit mode. Here we go. And this will ask the password. Please enter the password. See this. So this is the environment variable file which is opened here in the edit mode. Now simply go to the new line and we will add the Java_home variable here. The process is very simple and straightforward. Type Java home =, double quotes. We have to put the path of the JDK folder. Okay, go back to the previous terminal window. Here we have prepared the path. So we will simply copy this path and come back on the second terminal. Put the cursor between the double quotes and paste the path. Now the Java home path is set. Simple. Now you have to press Ctrl+O and then press enter to save the file, and you can simply Ctrl+X to exit the file. Now we have to run additional command because we have updated the environment variable. We have to bring this into effect. So we will type the source command /etc/environment, press enter. Now the changes are in use now. Now we are good to proceed. You can simply type echo command to verify, echo $Java_home. And this way, this must print the path. See this. So friends, we have set up the Java home in the environment variable successfully. Let's proceed to create a simple Java program and we will see how to run it from the terminal. I will show you. So suppose I want to create a program in the documents folder. For that, simply use a new folder, right? You can create a folder of your choice. I'm creating a demo folder here and I will put all programs in this demo folder. So simply go inside the demo folder, do the right click, open in the terminal this way, and this folder will be open in the terminal like this. Now here we will simply create a Java program. To create a Java program, we have to use a touch command and give the file name like this. So I'm going to create a test class. So I have just given the command touch space test.java. On the right hand side, the demo folder is open. You will see the results of the command execution on right hand side. Once I pressed enter, you can see test.java file is created. Now what we have to do, we have to open this file in the edit mode and we will write a program on it. So we will use the nano editor for that purpose. Type nano test.java, press enter. You will see the file is open here. Now we can simply write the Java program here and we can save and exit from this. Okay, let's write a simple Java program here. The important thing, make sure your class name and your file name must be same. So my file name is test and now I have changed my file to test. Okay, let's do some changes in the SYSO statement. Now I want to save. Simply press Ctrl+O and press enter after that. Okay, your file will be saved and you want to exit, press Ctrl+X. Now we are ready to compile this file. This compilation is simple. Type javac space test.java, press enter, and the compilation is successful. We got this test.class file here. Once the class file is there, you can simply type java space file name, class file name, and press enter. Your program execution will be done quickly. See this, see the results on the terminal. Hello, cool IT help. Our Java program is executed successfully. So friends, we have seen three things here. First, we have seen how to install Java in Ubuntu. Also, we have seen how to set Java home variable here in the Ubuntu. Also, we have seen how to create a Java program and how we can compile and run the Java program here from the terminal. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button to appreciate, and you guys can subscribe to learn more. Thanks for your time and attention. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.